How to change the power door lock settings on your Honda vehicle with the multi-information display. So to change the power door lock settings as well as other vehicle settings, you'll use the multi-information display here on the right side of the gauge cluster. To control this display, you use the buttons on the lower of the right side of the steering wheel here. They should have arrows as well as a select and reset button in the center. Depending on what screen you're on, you will have to scroll a few menu options using the up and down arrows, but scroll until you find vehicle settings. Once you find vehicle settings, press the center button with the select reset option on it, and this should bring you into the vehicle settings. To adjust the power door lock, scroll until you find door setup. And here you'll find the auto door lock and unlock settings. So under door lock, you should have 3 selectable options. The first one is going to be lock with vehicle speed. This means the power door locks will automatically lock when the vehicle speed reaches about 10 miles an hour or greater. The next one is shift from park. So this means when the vehicle is shifted from park, it will automatically lock all the doors in the vehicle. And the last one is off, which means it will turn the auto door lock feature off and the vehicle will remain unlocked. To select whichever option you would like, press the middle select button and the menu will return to the vehicle settings. Now to adjust the auto door unlock, scroll down one menu option and press select. Under this menu, there should be 4 selectable options. The first one is all doors when driver door open. So this means when the driver's door is opened, the rest of the vehicle's doors will unlock. The next one is all doors when shifted to park. So this means as soon as the transmission is shifted to the park setting, all doors will unlock. The next one is all doors when ignition switched off. This means once the vehicle is parked and the ignition is turned off, that all doors will unlock. And just like the auto door lock, the auto door unlock system can be turned off completely. So once you find the option you would like to choose, simply press the select button like the auto door lock and it will return to the menu. In this menu, you can also choose the key and remote unlock mode. This lets you choose whether the key will open all the doors at once with the press of the unlock button or just the driver's door. Now once you are finished in this menu, you can simply press the exit button by scrolling all the way to the bottom until it says exit, pressing the select button, and this will return you to the other vehicle settings. To exit the vehicle menu entirely, simply scroll down to the bottom once again and press the select button on exit. From here you can scroll back to your selected screen and keep the information you would like on it. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the other content that is currently available. Now this includes other how-to videos as well as 2023 model year change videos and other automotive related content. And feel free to use the comment section below to let me know if there's anything you would like to see here on the channel. So with all that being said, I hope to see you in the next video.